Dearest, I'm broken, my body's unspoken. How could I be loved? Wake up in the morning, feeling uncertain like a burning old scar. For I remember the courage I had as a child. Various colors I'm hiding inside. She's a rainbow. Oh, she's a rainbow. Oh, and I am a difficult man.